item's going to scan it, and then the completed custom order is now already in the grid, all done. And then at a later stage, you can pull that tote out on a ground-based system, and then load it into the back of a van automatically, and then deliver it to the customer. So that's very quick. We started off in grocery. We did grocery very successfully. In 2017-18, we started to sell our system to some of the most biggest and innovative grocers around the world. They include Kroger in the US, Sobeys in Canada, Eon in Japan, Coles in Australia.
What about Target? I was in Target in the grocery department.
Well,
I kind of did this.
Well, so this is everything I've said to you so far is grocery, right?
Yeah.
But grocery is really hard. In grocery, you've got a really large basket size, like 50 items. You've got different temperature regimes, ambient, chill, frozen. You've got different segregation rules. You've got to maintain the integrity of the product from the supply chain all the way through the process to the customer's door. And that's really hard. And if you can do it profitably, then you've got a really good solution that can be applicable in other verticals. So now, we've just done a deal with McKesson, Canada, that's drug distribution. So that same system now works for them. We've done another deal for Gap, which is apparel. So yeah, grocery, a large range of items. We do like 60,000 different items, okay? And they range from toilet roll, packets of rice, biscuits, drinks, beer, glass bottles, everything in between. And so when you go outside of grocery, you're really a subset of grocery. If you're apparel, that's packets. If you're drugs, they're small little boxes. So now we're here at the show today. We offer this solution at any size, very small to very large for grocery, but actually for all other kind of verticals as well.
Okay. So like I said, I used to work in like doing this thing, like pulling fulfillment, like for groceries. Right?
Yeah.
Like, what I found all the time was like we'd say we had something in stock, and then I get to where it is and it's not there.
Yeah.
Is that like a problem ever with like your system?
So this is a captive system. So inventory control is really important. So I'm going to give you a stat now, okay?
Okay.
In the whole of grocery, the amount of product which is wasted because it was the wrong inventory on the shelf, or it didn't quite sell because the sell-by date, you sold the oldest one before the newest one, so on and so forth.
Yeah.
The waste in industry is about 4 to 5%. Okay.
Okay.
In our systems, the waste is 0.02%.
Wow.
How? Captive system, we know what's in every tote. We prioritise the right stock at the right time. No one can accidentally mess it. Every single item is scanned. As a customer, when you're ordering from us, you're not ordering from a catalogue, like what might be in stock. You're ordering what is in stock. So if it's in stock, we're going to allocate it for you. Let's say it's the bread, and the bread hasn't been baked yet and delivered yet, but we know it's coming from a trusted supplier. We'll allocate it for you at the point at which